Here's two identical exciters, with the exception the one in the background is slightly modified for heat efficiency. The one in the foreground is a standard SEC 15-3. I'll indicate what the modifications are in the background board as we move on into the next video. But you're going to find this quite interesting. The two oscillators are sharing the same spatial interface window, and that's going to become quite evident in the background exciter as they move into synchronization. What I need to do is tune these two oscillators so that they're fairly close in frequency. If you see that background one, it's starting to flash. Actually, what's happening is they're moving into synchronization a little bit on their own before I even do some tuning. You can actually see the difference in color between these two neons. The one in the background, the one that's flashing now, you see it flashes from a real deep orange almost to a white. It's actually arcing over inside that neon, where the one in the foreground is a nice light orange, very hot too. Okay, I'm going to adjust these oscillators so that I can get them in close synchronization, and watch the one in the back. Remember, what they're doing is they're sharing the same spatial window. As they come into synchronization, and that window opens larger, more energy flows through, and it's accepted by that board in the back. You can see that very obviously by that neon. Now, the reason the one in the foreground doesn't do it is because of the modifications that we're going to make in the next video. But you can see how intense that neon is. That's extremely hot. I wouldn't even want to attempt touching it without raising a blister on my finger. Let's watch it for a minute.